Yeah. Oh my goodness, Mom! Come look! Hey guys. We are going to be opening these LRO surprises. You can see I opened it a little bit because my mouths have been a bit cray-cray. So I had to not open it because she was taking really long. So guys, let's get started. Yeah! Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Mom! Come look! Guys, we need some scissors because this is the easy part. It's not really easy, but not so easy because look, you can't get this down. Mom, come look which person I got. Don't forget to subscribe and press the button down below, right there, under where your picture stuck.